Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to split name in Excel into two columns. If your data is too long or messy, you need to do this repeatedly, then use this powerful method. If you have a thousand of rows or if your data comes from an external sources, it sets it and forget it. So for this, you need to select your entire data range and click on data and click on the from table and range and now click OK. So your data will be opened up in the Power Query editor, and in the column you need to right click and click on the split column and click on the by delimiter. So here in the split column by delimiter you need to select the space, and in the split it you need to select the rightmost delimiter and click OK to proceed. And here you can see that two columns have been added in the Power Query editor, and you just need to close and load. And in the separate sheet you will see that your data has been splitted into two columns. This is quite easy and time saving. This for your earlier data and this is your new data. So this way you can easily split names in Excel in two columns. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.